Occasionally, people have a long form, one that goes on and on and on and on. And when they edit the record, they want the Save button to be represented somewhere else on the page. There's an application in the App Exchange called Magic Buttons, and you can find that in the QuickBase Exchange. As you scroll down the page, what you'll find is, there we go, Save, and then Save and add another. So let's say you wanted to put an extra Save button halfway down the page. You could choose to use colored buttons. This one is a formula URL, and this one is an example of a formula text field. So this field is a formula URL. Let's edit this. And here you can see this as a formula URL. You can see the label I've put in here, and I've indicated it's going to be a button. So that's all I would put in there, and let's take that button and put it halfway down the page so you can see what that is. First of all, let's go back to which button that was. That was the Save one. We'll go down to Save. Let's copy it. Right-click, Edit. We're going to grab that, copy. Now, what we can do is actually move the button down there. But I'm going to show you how it is if we go way down to the bottom here. And let's put it, we want it save right to the right of import tasks. We're going to add another field, and we'll create a new field called Save. And this will be a formula URL, as I mentioned, and that's the bottom selection there. And now we have to tell it what to do. Of course, we're going to have to go way back down to the bottom here where this field is. Right-click, edit the field, and put this in here. It's not, I mean, we're actually taking something that's built into QuickBase. And truth be told, as you scroll down on the page, the Save button is visible. So do we need to have that? That should always be omnipresent at the top of the page. But I want this to say Save. And it's perfectly okay. The worst thing that can happen is someday we may change the QuickBase, and there's the new Save button. You can right-click, you can edit the form and take away the text that's on there by saying I'll use an alternative label, but I'll leave it blank, and then save that. Okay, let's go down and test it. So we come down way down the page. Here we are right there. Let's say we change the date here to the 24th and we want to save it. There. Now let's go back down, way down to the bottom. And you can see the date is changed. And now you've got an extra save. In edit mode or add mode, this Save button should stay right where it is. So as I come back down here, it's okay to add this, but look at this. It's still here right there. So, and if it isn't, maybe it's the different type of browser that you're using. Anyway, I hope that helps.